Greetings, friends. It's Denise again with Denise's Dancing Paintbrush, and today I'm working on another one of my little paper model houses. This is my Iowa cozy house. It's different, the only one in the book, I believe, that has a little white picket fence, and I just thought it was charming. It's got a little front foyer, patio, no, not a patio, kind of a foyer, and it's got the little white picket fence. Takes a little bit of extra effort because you have to use an X-Acto blade to cut in between all the different little slats on the picket fence, and that makes it something that the younger children wouldn't be able to handle without adult supervision. Or you could leave the white picket fence off and do the house without it. That would work just fine. It took a little bit of time to cut it out, but oh, it was so worth it. I thought it's so cute. So here's my little white picket fence. You want to score all of the fold lines with a dotting tool or a round tipped, like a knitting needle. Then you cut it all out and glue it together with regular Elmer's white glue. Here's my little foyer. I folded it first. Then I fold the main house building, put the roof on, and then glue on the foyer and the little foyer roof. And the chimney. The chimney's optional. You don't need to have it, but I thought it was cute. So there I've got my little chimney. And then you glue it right onto the little white picket fence floor. There it is, all done. Notice I made a little bush out of leftover pieces of paper. I just curled a little vase and then stuck in long strips of green colored paper. And I put a little wooden bead for the doorknob. It's only got one door. I should have put a door in the back, shouldn't I? Didn't think of it. The patterns are available. I'll link it below. Thanks for watching. And do come again. Subscribe. Bye now.